bird spotting place.
Spotting place.
Yes, bird spotting tower, and there's a place to look at birds. จากที่มาผมอยู่ชั้น1/4ก็ในห้องกุฮายาตีก็จะเปลี่ยนเป็นภาษาอังกฤษก็จะโชว์เพื่อนๆอ่ะจะไปเดินในป่าเมืองเขียนว่าป่าเมืองแล้วก็จะเปลี่ยนกับภาษาอังกฤษแล้วนะ Okay, and guys we're gonna go. Okay, go to there. Let's go. They're up the stairs.
Okay, yeah.
Here is the way to end. The exit. The exit is this way and get into this way. Let's go. Let's go. Go which way, guys? Go which way? That way, the way. Which way? This way. Go to jungle. Look. One path go that way. One path go that way. You go this one. This one. Okay. This one. Okay. And you keep on walking. No stop. We saw no trash. You see, no trash. No food allowed here. Be careful here. There's the store rots of this store. And you see their sign. The broken concrete down there because there's a lot of accident here. The woods fell. You see there's water here. Clean water. You see there's clean water. Look. You see there's two paths. One to that and one to go to back home. You want to go for that? Do it have fun. But this one is a board. Which one? Which one, guys? Stop. Okay, that's fun. Okay, guys, let's go. One, two paths. One to this way to the boring one. This one. Go fun one. Okay, go. Go one, fun one. Keep going. Don't get on that. It's so tall. You never come here, guys. I mean, my friend. Go and get there. Almost get there. I got so long. Look, it was stop. It's so long. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, get on. Get on. Get on. It's so tall, guys. So tall. Almost get through there. Get on, guys. You see there's sand. This is the one you shall come. You see will come. See, there's a building, some everything. This is cool. Oh, hey, someone should do something to me with doing. Okay. So tall, guys. Look, there's some lakes. Lake to support not fail. You see the sea, guys? The sea.
So beautiful. Okay.
You see the sea, guys. You see the sea. You see the beach. My house is over there. I don't know. It's just over there. I don't know. We are here if. No, I'm scared of it. Went down. Beautiful, guys. There's some water beach. You see something? That's a boat, guys. See everything was cool. Cool, yes. Get on. And this is the end of the path, guys. We need the end. We're scared, guys. We're scared. Look, go there. There's a fuel tank. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Guys, here, guys, you go. This is so tall. I don't want to get up. So tall. Get up.
Up.
I'm scared. Guys, okay, because I'm 7 years old, I not to be scared. Hey, it's beautiful. There's a beach. There's just okay. Look at the front. Don't look down. Don't look down. Okay, I'll stop right here. Get Daddy and your friend come with me. Come with me. I'm scared. Flat 4. Starting to get worried. I'm scared. Guys, but this is the end this video, guys. End of the half. Okay, this end of half. No more. No more, guys. Okay, guys. You come with me. Come here. Upstairs with us. And up we go. We're here. Yeah. Okay, we're going. There's a bird here. One bird. There's 2 birds, 3 birds, 4 birds, 5 birds. But you see the water turned to red, but other is blue. And this is a lagoon. 2 lagoon, and there's a beach. We don't know. My house near the beach. There's sail over there. Look at there. Stand up, guys. Stand up. You're sitting right now. See it? There's some boats and people sailing it. And you see it's so tall. You don't need to look out. I just can't look down, but you don't. It's so tall. Okay, this is then. And we need to come down. Let's go start here. Let's go start here. But first, we need to do something. Go, guys. Go. The tall. Go down, guys. I do need to look right here first because it's so cool, guys. That we're sitting. Let's go. Okay, wait. Okay, let's go. So of this place is there stairs and go down here. I want to have a tour for you. You see my pocket. You see something?
What?
You see something in my pocket? There's my tank. My toy tank. Let's go. Tanky. My tank. Very active. Let's go. Wait, you're just laughing on my tank? You want to go to my pocket? Go down steps. Go down like this. You see here. You can see here. And you go down like this.
ขอดูนกภาษาอังกฤษ
Bird spotting place.
Spotting place.
Yes, bird spotting tower, and there's a place where you look at birds. Like this one. This is spotting birds. Okay, let's go down. Right here. Let's go down. Right here. Right here, guys. Right here. Stop right here. We need a rest here. We'll rest. By the way, I'm a YouTuber and my dad's camera and just taking the camera. Let's go. It is so long, guys. I put my car there and go down and force the water and gone. But I'm going to ruin that. I want you to do this. Everything is so. We go this way or that way? Which way, guys?
This way.
This way.
Which way?
You take this way? Okay. And we are back. We're back at the start. Everything's okay, guys. And this is then the end of the video, guys. And from the video, guys. Bye.